I could not install these products. I'm not qualified. I didn't prepare you for this, but no. You have to unscrew this one.
Okay.
We'll see if this makes that. More gas, more gas. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and today we are going to find out what's in the box.
What's in the box?
If you know anything about those three letters, then you're probably a Mustang person. If not, that stands for late model restoration, and they have the coolest Mustang parts ever. So let's find out what's in the box.
What's in the box?
All right. In the box we have paper. You never have enough paper, right? Paper, paper. All right. We have a cup holder. FoxBody Mustangs do not have cup holders in them. All the time, you're having to put the drink that you have by the emergency brake. So let's take a look at this. This is blue, like my interior, and it's supposed to go right into where the ashtray's at. You just set this guy down here. So it's easy install. I'm actually going to install it myself. I'm not going to take it to Extreme Mustangs to install this cup holder. I think I should be able to do it. It shouldn't be a big deal. And yeah. We'll be able to have drinks now. What I don't know is if the shifter is gonna bump into this right here. I don't know if the shifter is gonna be a problem, but we'll see. And we also have, here's a hint, 7904 Mustang or 0304 Cobra. What could this be? Oh, guesses? Any guesses now? You know it's small. That's right. For those of you that don't know, my car actually had a 5-speed in it originally, the T5. And you'll see that this actually has 6 gears, and that's because I did a Magnum T56 swap in the car. I love it, it's so smooth, but I still have the old stock style shift knob on it. So we're gonna have a nice looking Cobra. I say Cobra because this came from the Cobra Mustangs 0304, had these in them, and nice looking shift knob there. So I'm also going to give this a try to install. So let's get to the installs and see how it goes. Hey guys, so I know I told you that I was going to go ahead and try to do the install of those parts myself, but let's get real. I don't work on my own car, so I have acquired an assistant instead to install the parts. So Tiffany, the first thing I want you to do is install the cup holder. Let's see if you can accomplish this. And she even has a seatbelt on, so she can pull this off with a seatbelt on. I mean, well, she's impressive. Oh, well, they didn't see there was an ashtray in there that got pulled out. Now, the original owner was actually a smoker, and so let me see that. I think you can still see. Yeah, maybe that's something she smoked in there. I don't know. So, you know what you do with these? All right, heck with that. All right. Now we have the new cup holder. Slides right in. Nice. I want to show them one other thing too. These doors were supposed to close, right? And this part always breaks. And I fixed it before and it broke again. But since we got the cup holder, now I can't install it. You have to install it, of course. We don't even have to worry about that. Now, shifting might be a problem with bottles here, so we'll have to figure that out. I like that it comes in and out so easy. Maybe it's something that we'll just throw in on the highway, you know, when we stop and we're gonna be cruising, grab some fast food or something. All right, and we also have the shift knob. So I didn't prepare you for this, but no. You have to unscrew this one.
Okay.
first.
Let's see.
Yeah, you might need 2 hands. You're pretty tight. Yeah, that's good. All right, the old knob. Thank you. You can get the new knob out. While she's doing that, it's in that box down there. And while she's doing that, I talked to Scott at Extreme Mustangs, and I asked him if we should put some Loctite on the shifter, because that's what late model restoration LMR recommended. But you know, he said don't use it. Yeah, the big thing is, you see, let's show them the difference. Well, it's a lot bigger handle for one, but this one ends in 5, and this one ends in 6. So go down just till you feel it's kind of snug. You don't want to over tighten is a big thing. Yeah, go down till you feel fully snug, and then we might have to twist it back a little bit. You know, it's fine. We can go full snug and then. Oh, that's it. Yep. Oh, that's actually fit perfect. All right, how's that feel?
Yeah.
That's good.
Nice.
Okay, again, I could not install these products. I'm not qualified. But Mrs. Gearhead knows what she's doing, obviously. Aside from being with Mr. Gearhead, I'm not sure how. We're not going to talk about that voodoo magic. You're happy, right? She's happy. Yeah, she's happy. We're happy. Hey, 2 mods, just like that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. And we'll see you next time on
Gearhead 704.
Yay, sure. Bye.